Hey everybody, Mulkey Films here. Today we're doing a quick opening of the Lego Movie 2 3-in-1 Lego kit. It's got Emmet and then 3 different machines you can build. So let's go ahead and tear it open. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. Whoa!
Whoa! So many pieces!
Uh-oh. Alright. This is a 49-piece kit available for purchase in stores now. And it comes with directions on how to build the digger, first of all. So that's one side, that's the digger. And then to build these other ones, I guess you just have to figure it out or go online. Anyways, this is Mulkey Films. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, click subscribe. If you have any questions, send us a note in the comments section below.